Today I'm just going to give you 3 habits that will make you easier to understand immediately. And that with no extra studying, I promise. The thing is, most learners think that pronunciation problems come from their accent. They do not. They come from speaking too fast, using sentences that are too long, and not pausing where pauses belong. Now the thing is, native speakers also make these mistakes when they are nervous or rushing. The difference is that they have a habit that helps them slow down. And I am going to teach you that habit. Because you can build the same habit today. Not tomorrow, not in 3 weeks, today. Before I give you the habits, I want to remind you that you do not need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to be understood. And these 3 habits will help you do that. So let's start with habit number 1. Slow down. When you speak English, you may feel like you're speaking slowly. The truth is, you're probably not. Learners almost always speak faster than they think they do. Especially when nervous. The fix is a simple one. Record yourself for 30 seconds. Then play it back. I promise you will hear it immediately. Then try again, talking about the same topic. And aim to sound almost uncomfortably slow to yourself. That is usually the right pace for your listener. When you speak English, you feel like you're talking slowly. Hear the difference? Good. Let's move on to habit 2. Use shorter sentences. Long sentences collapse under their own weight. You simply lose the thread, and your listener loses the thread too. To keep it simple, share one idea per sentence. Then stop. Then share your next idea in the next sentence. So instead of, I wanted to tell you because I moved here 2 years ago that I've been learning Dutch and it's been going well, but it's a little bit difficult. You better say, I moved here 2 years ago. I wanted to learn Dutch since then. I want to integrate better. That's why it matters to me. Don't say, I want to tell you that because I moved to the Netherlands 2 years ago and I'm learning Dutch because I want to integrate better because it matters to me. That is the same information 4 times clearer. So remember, one idea per sentence, then stop. Now if you combine that with habit number 1, it will sound very clear. For example, I moved here 2 years ago. I've been really enjoying my time learning English. Got it? Then let's move on to habit number 3. Pause before your next thought. A pause before your next idea gives the listener time to absorb what you just said. It also gives you time to find the next word. This is not a weakness. This is control. The speakers who sound the most confident are often the ones who pause the most. If this is hard for you, try this. Breathe before and after every sentence. The breath forces a 2 to 3 second pause. That way, the pauses create clarity. For example, instead of, I have something to say, it's about a project, I think we need more time. Breathe and simply say, I have something to say. It's about a project. I think we need more time. Doesn't that sound clearer already? Combining these 3 habits will make you sound clearer today. And as promised, you don't need extra studying. You just need to apply it in the conversations you're already having. And are you practicing alone? Then record yourself speaking for 30 seconds. Play it back. Are you going faster than you thought? Say the same thing again. Slowly. That is how you create a habit. Do you want more? Watch this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.